let's see what we've got here.
Extensive corrosion here. Require integrity like. Compromise needs assessment. The line is securing properly. Keep the tension steady. Ooh. Copy that, tension holding.
Keep coming. Hold on. That's it, easy. Hold there. Straps are set, good to go. Keep it steady. Watch the starboard side. Clear on the port. Moving up slowly.
All right, this thing's completely seized. Looks like a total rebuild. God, this thing is seized up. Ooh, feels like it hasn't moved in years. Okay, let's see. Nothing. Damn it. The insulation here is crumbling. It might be the source. Still 1.5. Looks like it's dead. Well, that's not right. Loose. No, not again. Well, that's just great. All right, don't move. Wait, what's happening? It's giving way. Careful. Extensive corrosion in the hull and rigging. Structural integrity is severely compromised. Red, check. Labeling it now. Make sure it's secure.
Pull. Keep it moving. Steady, almost over the edge.
Keep it steady, slowly. Watch the clearance. Good, hold it there. Okay, last one. Hold it steady. Watch the chain. Watch the chain. Got it. God. God. Yeah, God. Yeah. Finally.
Keep it steady. Slowly. Easy, easy. Just a little more. Clear the hatch. Looks good, hold it there.
All right, just a little more. Wow.
The whole structure appears sound, though the corrosion demands attention. Agreed. The bulkheads show signs of stress.
Keep it steady. Slowly. Easy, easy, easy. Just a little further. Looks solid. Check the bolts.
Oh, back a bit. Perfect. Lower it now. Just a little more. Right there. Excellent work. Keep it steady. Slowly. That's it. Keep the tension. Lower. Good. Now, easy, easy. There. It's in. Secure it. All right, slow and steady. We're almost there. Just a bit more.
Easy now, don't force it.
Got it. It's in. Perfect. All right, just a little further. There. Locked in. Perfect. Line 1 secured. Checking position. Clip and lock. Perfect alignment. All right, blue to terminal 4, red to 10. Looks secure.
Good work. How's the screen reading?
All systems online, pressure nominal, ship's ready. Ska kell alltså spigga ut så köpa det gärna bli. Tightening this last one now. Good, let me see. Just about there, perfect. It's torqued.
The fuel pressure is fluctuating between 3 and 4 bar. Oh,
Okay, I'm adjusting the flow.
it's stabilizing now, 5 bar steady.
Perfect. I'm just engaging the start sequence. Okay, and now we're holding steady. Keep going, it looks smooth. Good to hear, Inspector. All right, moving to the next section.
The finish here is excellent, no sagging.
Yes, American. Glad to hear that, sir.
Thanks, we took our time.
Adesso lei. Nessuno dopo il Lamborghini Yacht. Line it up with the rail base. Press down hard to seal it. Checking for excess glue. Wipe it clean, then grab the next piece. Hold it there, a little to the left. Perfect. Drill it in. Nice.
Nice job, looks great.
Yeah, it's holding up well. Yeah. Looks good to go. Perfect. Open it up. Smooth as silk. Solid work. All right, just a few more bolts on this side. Got it. Now, ready for the mattress. Engaging main breaker.
Okay, power is restored.
Checking output now. Tightening this pipe here. Looks good. Now check under the sink. See how it lights up? That's the route we're following.
Wow!
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you want to try steering? Looks perfect. We really got it clean this time. Yeah, the orange is gleaming now. Okay, let's bring it up slowly. Whoa. Checking the straps, looks good. Up a bit more, that's it. Perfect, looking good.
navigation buoys.
Copy that, skipper.